How Agilemania uses Agile to improve work. Do you want to know how we use Agile to improve the productivity of our teams? The day we started implementing Agile in our organization for the digital marketing team, we perceived the changes in our groups. Our team comprises 11 members consisting of a product owner, a Scrum Master, and 9 team members. Digital marketing team plans continuously throughout the initiative, making constant adjustments as changes come. Our team has become more innovative, adaptable, and responsive to rapidly changing market conditions and user expectations. How we implemented Agile. Step 1. Set a goal for every digital marketing initiative. Step 2. Focus on the purpose and keep motivating the team members by seeing the progress toward the goal. Step 3. Check various analytics and outcome that works for us. Step 4. Revisit the plan and make changes accordingly. It was challenging initially, but we made it work, and so can you at your organization.